Good afternoon. Your colleague here, Martin. I'm in my backyard garden, just taking a look at how my tomatoes are performing. They are 1 month, 1 week old, and how they are flowering is just so exceptionally great. And looking at the stems, the stems are so good. I've not supplied these tomatoes with any type of fertilizer, artificial, or say the only fertilizer that I applied is manure at when they were a week old. To date, I've not supplied any of either organic fertilizer or artificial fertilizer. I've not been spraying any chemicals, but the only thing I've been spraying on these tomatoes are wood ash and moringa tea. But looking at how they are performing, this is just exceptionally awesome. This is exceptionally awesome. This is what I mean when it comes to tapping into natural systems. Just look at those tomatoes right there. The tomatoes are only 1 month, 1 week, and I can tell you this will be a bumper harvest. This will be a bumper harvest. This is exceptionally great. No pests at all. I only see butterflies and birds flying in this small field of mine. This is awesome. This is my backyard garden. This is a plot spanning a 5 by 5 plot, and just behind here are some sweet potato, pumpkin leaves, and they have already started spreading their vines around, so it's more or less like an intercrop of some sort. Then here I want to put impwa. Already I've built a house for the microbes. I don't plant without putting a skin or mulch. Once you do that, you are preparing yourself for failure and hardship, it be on a small scale or big scale. Mulch builds a house for microbes, which enables you enjoy the benefits of natural systems. Please tap into systems.